Hi friends, today we are going to be working on trial quotients. There were actually a couple problems in one of your last worksheet pages on Seesaw that were similar to this. So please pay close attention because all of our problems are going to be like this today. So we're just going to divide like we always do, okay? So I'll say, can 35 go into 2? No. Can 35 go into 28? No. Can 35 go into 281? Yes. So I'm going to continue by underlining my 3. I'm going to say, can 3 go into 2? No. Can 3 go into 28? Yes. Now, 3 would go into 28 9 times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 35 times 9 over here on the side. And I'll try to angle it so you guys can see. So I'm going to do 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 4 is 31. That gives me 315. Now, typically we would put the 9 up top and we would subtract 315 from 281. But guess what? Because 315 is bigger than 281, we can't subtract that. So if this number turns out to be too big, that means we need to multiply by a smaller number. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do 35 times 8. So I'm going to see if I'm going to do 8 times 5, which is 40. Bring down the 0, carry the 4. 8 times 3 is 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. That gives me 280. I notice that is something I can subtract. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 8, not the 9, because that's too big. I'm going to take the 8, bring it up. I'm going to do 281 minus 280, and that gives me 1. 35 can't go into 1. There's nothing else to bring down, so it's 8, remainder 1. Okay? We're going to do another example. Let's do 82 divided by 27. A little bit of a smaller number. So friends, sometimes it might take a few guesses and checks to get these right, so please stay patient. So again, I'm going to do, can 27 go into 8? Nope. Can 27 go into 82? Yes. So I'm going to underline my 2. I'm going to say, can 2 go into 8? Yes. It can go in 4 times. So I'm going to multiply 27 times 4. So I have 7 times 4, which is 28. Bring down the 8, carry the 2. I'm going to do 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 2 is 10. Again, friends, I'm looking at 108. Typically, I would take my 4 and put it up top and subtract the 108. But 108 is too big. So this isn't going to work. So I'm going to have to multiply by a smaller number. So I'm going to do 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Bring down the 1, carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. That gives me 81. That is something that I can subtract. So I'm going to take the 3, I'm going to cross this out. I'm going to take the 3, bring it up top. I'm going to bring the 81 up, put it underneath, and I'm going to subtract. 82 minus 81 is 1. Can 27 go into 1? Nope. Are there any other numbers to bring down? Nope. So I have 3, and I'll try to squeeze this in here. Sorry. 3, remainder 1. Okay?